Hello, I'm Caleb, and this is my sharpening jig I made for my ME414 final project. Stick around to see how I made it.
The goal of this project was to design and manufacture a universal sharpening jig. While there are already many jigs commercially available, many either require the use of proprietary whetstones or limit the user to certain angles. My jig seeks to eliminate these issues by holding the knife in an adjustable jig as opposed to the stone. The jig was designed with manufacturability in mind from the beginning. This involved designing parts to be slightly smaller than the nearest grip stock size. This minimizes material removal, saving time and money. The entire assembly was also designed with adjustability built in. This allows the parts to have loose tolerances on the order of about plus or minus 15 thousandths of an inch, while still preserving the functionality of the jig. Additionally, the assembly was designed to use only 3 fasteners, which helps reduce the time to assemble the final product. For this project, I wanted to employ a variety of manufacturing processes, which have been shown in the B-roll throughout the video. All of the processes I used were the following: manual machining, which was used to make the base, adjustment arms, clamp, and jaws. Stamping was used to make the rubber feet the jig sits on. Sheet metal forming was used to make the height adjuster. Gluing was used to adhere the feet to the base, and welding was used to join the vertical arm to the base. Additionally, I polished the brass parts and the sandblasted steel base off-screen for aesthetic purposes. I used 5 different materials for the jig: steel for the base and adjustment arms since it is strong and weldable, brass for the pivot components for its lower coefficient of friction on steel, aluminum for the height adjuster since it's easy to form, and iLabs doesn't have great forming tools, nylon for the tool clamp since it is flexible, and rubber sheet for the feet to help the jig sit flat and not slide on surfaces. Using a couple 1032 screws from the iLabs assembly room and all my parts, I assembled the jig. All of the parts went together smoothly and everything functioned as intended, with all the fits working as per the drawings. Using a whetstone, I put my pocket knife in the jig and tested it, and the jig functioned flawlessly. I'm really pleased with how this project turned out, and I hope to use it to help sharpen all my other tools. Thanks for watching.